So welcome to all. Our topic name is fire alert system. Introduction of team. So there are three members: Sunit Salunke, Vinayak Rane, and Rashika Sutar. So in this project there are few terms. There like problem definition. So problem definition. So in this project problem definition, there are many problem statements problem statements are the problems or issue that want to be solved during the implementation of project. Then few problems statements for this project, which are first one is dead battery. Certain smokes alarm are not handwriting into home electrical system rely on battery, so it require regular checking and not function when battery is dead. So second is residual smoke. So smoke from burn food that like stoves, toasters or oven also can trigger wrong alarm. Delay trigger. So third one is the delay trigger. Delay trigger alarm available. Smoke sometime will take long delay, although already detect smoke before trigger alarm to people. Okay. So project scope. There are some kinds of goals first one is the fire sense aims to develop an automatic early warning system integrating multiple sensors to monitor areas of cultural interest for the risk of fire and extreme weather conditions. There second is the signals and measurements collected from these sensors will be transmitted to a monitoring, which will be employ intelligent computer vision and pattern recognition algorithms, as well as data fusion techniques to automatically analyze and combine sensor informations. And third and last is it will also provide real-time information about the evolution of the fire based on wireless sensor network data. So these are the project scope and is working of project. So there are some kinds of images first one is GSM based fire alert system. So they're how working image. Okay. So second is how can you work Arduino. So there is there is, and further slides explained by Rasika. So Rasika.
Advantages. There are the four outputs: GSM module, LED, buzzer, and water supply. Next slide. Limitations. Detect the fire from the one location at a time. If there is a fire this location, the system will be able to detect and hence locate only these locations. The project has been limited to a desert area of a condition, which is estimated by the small area coverages. This is to make the system more sensitive and obtain the quick feedback from the a desired area of a conditions. Further slides explained by the Vinayak.
The next point is future scope. Future scope must be our project work is made for a user to control the fire alarm system remotely. This helps the user if he or she is not in the building or even unaware of emergency condition. This use will be avoided the unpredictable situation or any critical situation from occurring in the residence areas. The second feature scope must be sensors and different modules that can be changed easily with updated technology and with upgraded sensors. The microcontroller can be programmed with the contact number of local authorities of the fire brigade. So, Sunit, next slide, please. Conclusion: this project has been made in order to help buildings owner to overcome the problem which is fire spreading whenever the owner is not in the building. The unpredictable situation or critical situation always occur in the building or resident areas without the resident notice. This project has the ability to detect heat or high temperature is undeniable because of the use of LM35 and different modules in the system. So, next slide. Thank you.
So thank you, sir, and all.